Hi, welcome to this course on object-oriented programming with Java EE. So looking ahead over this course, what we're going to be doing is having 8 sections in the course, and we're going to be building up from very basic beginnings. In section 1, we're going to be recapping the basics of programming in Java. So if you've programmed in another programming language, or if you've forgotten most of your Java, then in section 1, we're going to be looking at how to declare variables and other very basic syntax, just to get you a little bit up to speed with Java itself. After that, we'll look at the building blocks of object-oriented programming, and we'll look at the structures that we use in object-oriented programming. So you're going to get introduced to classes and interfaces and how they all work together to create a model. In section 3, we take a look at the concept of object-oriented programming modeling, and we'll be looking at inheritance and encapsulation and other concepts like that. And the idea behind that is to help you understand why we use these principles and how we can apply them to make simple and easy to use models. Then we take a look at access, and we focus on controlling how our classes can be used. Once we've gotten through these basics, we'll take a look at Java Beans, where we actually introduce Enterprise Java, and then we'll look at Spring, which is a popular framework for Java. We'll wrap up the theoretical side of this course in section 7, where we look at solid programming, and we'll consider more advanced object-oriented programming concepts in that section. And then lastly, we'll be having a practical section where we implement 2 common design patterns. Now, this is an introductory set of talks. It's not particularly advanced, and only really gets interesting or difficult in section 7. So you will need some sort of programming experience in any language, preferably Java, but really any sort of language is fine. We're focusing more on object-oriented programming than we are on particular Java syntax, and we're not going to be digging deep into Java itself. You'll need access to a computer running a modern version of Windows or Linux. I'm sure you can also get it working on Mac, but the course is aimed at Windows or Linux users. And you will need access to the internet to be able to download and install Java and the Eclipse IDE. I think if you're able to stream this video, then you should have enough internet access. Okay, here we go. Good luck.